Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. MOEF decides to send Goa government's proposal of buffer zone to Tiger Council of India. SC to consult Chief Justice for continuous hearing of Goa mining case. A sigh of relief to common men. Horticulture Corporation to sell high-priced onions at subsidized prices along with other vegetables and fruits. Angry CM declares North and South Goa candidates during leaders' convention, slams some leaders for involvement in caste and pressure politics. Luis in Falero to raise mining and airport issues with centre, says Goa should get special status. Congress leaders in large numbers for Luisin's birthday. And Goa Mining People's Front threatens closure of central government offices in Goa if mining doesn't start by September. Mega meet on 29th August. Now the news in detail. Ministry of Environment and Forest has decided to refer Goa's 1 kilometer buffer zone proposal to Tiger Council of India. The ministry took the decision after seeing photographs of a tiger in Madhei jungles. They will also seek an opinion from National Board for Wildlife. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has decided to consult Chief Justice of India to fix dates for continuous hearing of Goa mining case.
Environment Minister Jayanti Natarajan said that she has received photographs of existence of tigers in Goa and there are possibility of tiger cubs roaming in Madhei jungles. She has forwarded proposal of Goa government suggesting 1 kilometer buffer zone to Tiger Council of India and National Board of Wildlife. Meanwhile, Supreme Court has agreed for full hearing on Goa petition but has requested Chief Justice to allocate time for the case. Forest bench is now sitting only on Monday for 2 hours unlike every Friday. Goa mining matter may come up for hearing either in September or October. Industry insiders say that government needs to decide on following things before seeking relief in ban from the apex court. Fix buffer zone for the state of Goa, file fresh affidavit in Supreme Court with new buffer zone and revoke suspended environment clearances of legal mines. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
A sigh of relief to common men. Goa State Horticulture Corporation will sell high-priced onions at subsidized prices. Horticulture Corporation will send its 20 mobile vans around the state distributing onions. It will also sell fruits along with vegetables at subsidized rates. Chairman of Goa State Horticulture Corporation, Kiran Kandolkar, made the announcement on Monday.
20% कानो हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशनाच्या पेक्षा गाड्यापेक्षा सवाय हो जो दिवपाचो आमचो प्रोग्राम आमी चालू दवरलेलो आहा 14 आमच्यो गाडयो आसल्यो तितून गव्हर्मेंटान आनीक आमकां 6 गाडयो एप्रूव केल्ल्यो आहा ह्यो 6 गाडयांसून आमी 2 गाडयो ज्यो आहा येता ते बुधवारसून आमचे एक आनीक 20 गांव कवर करतले ज्या गांवांनी ह्यो गाडयो आमच्यो पावनासल्यो आयज मेरेन त्या 20 गांवांनी खेडेपाडांनी सगळे कडेन आख्खे गोंयचे 20 गांव जे आहा ते कवर करतले तशेंच 4 ज्यो आमच्यो गाडयो आसतल्यो ह्यो मेजर सिटीन ज्या जाग्यार वेजिटेबल मार्केट आसतले हेज्यात आसपास खंय तरी एक मेजर सिटीन आमी हांचे म्युनिसिपालिटी किंवा जे थंयसरले लोक प्रतिनिधी आसतले तांचे परमिशन घेवन आमी लोकां पासत स्वस्त दरान कांदो किंवा बटाट किंवा टोमाट पूण कांदो हो सगळ्यान स्वस्त आसतलो ह्या कोलकाटाक आमी एक 20,000 डिपॉझिट आसतले आनी 50 रुपीज पर डे तेजे रेंट आसतले आनी हे कोलकट जे आसतले हे वेजिटेबल हेचेर सप्लाय जावचे ना हेचेर फक्त फ्रूट सप्लाय जातले तशेंच आमी येता ते फुडल्या म्हयन्याचे 15 तारखेच्यान संपूर्ण गोंयांत आमी जशी भाजी सप्लाय करता तेच भशेन फ्रूट सप्लाय करपाचें आमी एक थारायिल्लें आसा आनी बरे रेटीन म्हणजे जी किफायती आयज तुमकां खबर आहा भाजयेची रेट आमच्या मार्केटा पेक्षा ऑलमोस्ट 20-30 रुपया 15 रुपया स्वस्त आसता तेच भशेन फ्रुटाची रेट येता ते फुडल्या म्हयन्याचे 15 तारखेच्यान तुमकां गोंयकारांक एक सवाय भितर आनी बरे क्वॉलिटीचे फ्रेश फ्रूट खावपाक मेळटले.
Chief Minister's aggressive avatar during workers' convention at Hotel Mandovi has left the state BJP workers in a jinx. Parrikar declared Lok Sabha candidates in his angry speech, Sripad for North and Narendra Savoykar for South. He further grilled a few leaders for delivering rebellious speeches on caste politics and reservation. Parrikar has dared such discontented leaders to leave the party.
What happens when Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar loses his cool during party leaders' convention? CM's outburst during BJP workers' convention at Hotel Mandovi has shocked many leaders. Sources claim that when Chief Minister entered the convention hall, a senior leader from South Goa was busy criticizing the government on caste politics and reservation issue. The leader tried to provoke the crowd over sensitive issues. This annoyed CM. Chief Minister warns party leaders should not invoke caste politics issues. Government will solve reservation issue. Let the credit go to the government and not caste-based organizations. Don't instigate workers for political gains. Work honestly for the party. According to sources, a couple of discontented leaders left the meeting hall after hearing Chief Minister's outburst. CM continued with the onslaught by saying that few leaders have resorted to such jibes as Lok Sabha election is round the corner. He says he will not succumb to any pressure tactics by aspiring candidates. If needed, will declare the candidates now itself. Shripad Naik from North and Narendra Savoykar from South. Candidates will not be changed at any cost. Do what you want. The whole convention hall came to a standstill after hearing Chief Minister's raging speech, but the message went loud and clear. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.